up 192% in less than a year. That's right. This stock right here, BBAI, Big Bear AI, has been one of my biggest wins so far. Most people ignored it when it was under $3, but I saw an opportunity, bought early, and held strong, and now it's paying off big time. In today's video, I will show you exactly how I did it, when I bought, why I'm still holding, and when I will buy more. Okay, so let's start with my buying history. Let's go down here so you can see. Okay, my first purchase of Big Bear AI was back in December, on December 19, 2024. As you can see here, I bought 10 shares, okay, at an average cost price of $2.85. Okay, as you can see, at the time there wasn't much hype. Most investors were chasing the big AI names, Nvidia, Palantir, and the rest, but I was looking for smaller cap AI plays with potential, and BBAI stood out because of its government contracts and data analytics businesses. Then a few months later, around April 1st, as you can see over here, 2025, okay, the stock dropped right back to $2.85 again. Instead of panicking, I added two more shares, bringing my total to 12 shares, and same cost basis, $2.85, as you can see, per share. My only regret about this is not adding more, right? I have a small position, but I wish I had added more to my position. Fast forward today, less than a year later, and my position is up 192%. That means my $34, as you can see up here, my $34, right, in this position, is now worth $100. Okay, so I invested $34, and because I have 192% return, it's now worth $100. Okay, now that might not sound like a huge dollar amount, and it is true, but the percentage return is what matters. It shows conviction and timing. The key takeaway here isn't the size of the position, is that sometimes when you do your research and stay patient, you don't need to trade every day. You just need one or two solid plays that deliver big returns over time. So why did I even buy BBAI in the first place? First, AI is the future. We are seeing automation, defense, tech, and data analytics grow at record speed. BBAI might not be a household name, but it's been securing contracts with the US government and defense sector, and that's a big deal. Second, valuation. Back when I bought, the stock was trading under $3. And in my opinion, the downside risk was limited compared to the long-term upside potential. And third, conviction. I have been following AI trends for a while, and I wanted exposure to a smaller, under the radar company that would 3 times or 4 times over time, right? So since I bought at $2.85, as you can see, since then the stock shot up to $10.36, and then came back down, and then now it's at, as you can see, $8.33. Okay, which is huge. So what's my plan now? I currently hold 12 shares, as you can see over here. 12 shares is only less than 1% of my portfolio, as you can see, 0.66%. My total return $65 plus. right? And 192% return, which with current value at $100. So how I am not selling anytime soon either, right? I'm gonna hold for a long time. However, I am also not chasing it. If the stock price drops back to $3.50 or below, that's when I will consider adding 10 or more shares, to bring my total to, who knows, up to 22, or even 30 shares, right? But if it keeps running higher, I will just let it ride. This is one of those long-term plays for me. I'm talking 5 to 10 years minimum. I am not trying to time the market. I'm trying to own quality growth stocks early and let time do the work. Okay, so that's the story behind my BBAI position from $2.85 to 192% in under a year. Remember, this isn't about luck, it's about patience, conviction, and sticking to your plan. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I post real updates from my actual portfolio every week. And of course, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research and invest according to your risk tolerance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.